Exactly 1 year ago, Sean the camera guy and I both bought these 22-inch Omnivore Flex Fold griddles, and we have loved them so much. So on today's episode, we are going to give you our 1 year review. And over the course of that year, this has become the Blackstone griddle that I recommend the most to new griddlers, because you can use it at home or you can use it at the campground, and it's that perfect 22-inch Goldilocks size. So let's get camping and let's get cooking, and let's give you our 1 year review of this awesome Blackstone griddle. Just about 1 year ago, Sean the camera guy and I showed up at this exact spot, at this exact secret beach where we love to come and cook, and we started to test out this griddle, and we talked about the features that we were excited about at that time. I loved the fact that this has rugged wheels. We can take this up to the beach. We can take it just about anywhere. Also, it locks in a couple of different places, so it's very secure in travel mode. You don't want the griddle top falling off as you're walking up to the beach. This one locks into place very nicely. And one of my favorite things is that it very quickly transforms from travel mode into cooking mode. So all the features that we were excited about then, and we talked about a bunch of other ones, we're still excited about now, and they have really worked out well with this 22-inch Omnivore Flex Fold griddle. A year ago, we were also so excited about how portable this griddle is, because we want to be able to cook everywhere we go. Now, this is not the most portable Blackstone griddle. You would want to go to the Blackstone camping griddles that we've used on so many episodes, but this one is still very portable. Easily fits in the back of my truck. It easily fits in the back seat of my truck. It easily fits in my RV's front storage bin, and it even easily fits in the back of Sean's Subaru. So no matter where you want to take it, whether it's tailgating or to a picnic, or just bring it over to a friend's house and cook there, this is an awesome griddle. These 22-inch Flex Folds are great for cooking for a crowd. There is definitely enough room to cook for a group of people at the campground. We've done smash burgers for 10 people. We've made popcorn for everybody at the campground. We've made pancakes. Sean, you are constantly cooking with your friends on this. This is good for groups, right?
I've cooked for up to 12 people, I think.
Yeah, and then it's not so big that it doesn't make sense to just bring to the campground with 2 people. So again, love the size of the 22-inch. It's my personal favorite size for a Blackstone griddle. Now I want to give you some quick tips for keeping your Blackstone griddle in amazing shape, just like this one that we've used so many times this year. I do think it's important to grab the cover for this or for any griddle, and if you're leaving it outside for a bunch of nights in a row at the campground, I always like to put a cover on it. I think it does a great job protecting it. Also, when I have this at home for a few weeks in between camping trips, I keep it in my garage. I don't leave it sitting outside. That is definitely going to prolong the life of your griddle and make it basically last forever. So keeping it inside when not in use is great. I know a lot of RV owners winterize their RVs. They shove their griddles in their RV storage bin. They leave them there all winter. For me, I like to pull them out and keep them in the garage. And then the last tip, and the most important tip, is to use your griddle. This is one of those rare things in life that the more you use it, the better it is and the better condition it is in, particularly that griddle top. So long periods of time when you're not using it are not good. So pull it out and use it even if you're not on a camping trip. Every now and then, give it a fresh layer of seasoning. All those things will keep your griddle looking great, keep it ready for action, keep it ready for those awesome trips to the campground. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining us, joining Maverick and I for this week's episode of Camp Griddle More. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with me about this being a great griddle for the first-time griddler. I have found myself recommending this to people over and over again for their first Blackstone griddle, because I think you can use it at home, you could use it at the campground, you can use it tailgating, you can use it wherever you want to use it, and it's a perfect size for a newbie. It's a perfect size for just about anybody. Let me know in the comments below if you agree, and we'll see you next week right here at Camp Griddle More.